Hey, what's up everyone, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about the Best Buys affiliate program. Can you earn money from Best Buy? So we're going to dive deep into the Best Buy affiliate program and dissect its features, weighing the pros and the cons. So through this video, we're going to discover whether it's worth your time or not, and what are the alternatives like. So to get started, what is the Best Buy affiliate program? Well, just like any other affiliate program, it allows you to earn a commission by promoting their products. So to get started, you will need to scroll down on their homepage and then find the affiliate program link, or simply search on Google Best Buy's affiliate program and then click on the first link. Once you're there, you will see that you can join and earn a commission every time someone makes a purchase through your content. Sounds pretty simple, right? But here's where it gets interesting. Best Buy, being a retail giant, offers a plethora of products from electronics to home appliances. So this could be a gold mine for content creators who focus on tech and lifestyle niches. But is it really a gold mine? So talking numbers, I did some digging, and guys, you won't believe this, the commission rates are, well, let's just say they are laughable. For a wide range of products like laptops, video games, and even COVID tests, the commission rate is a whopping 0%. Yes, you had that right, 0%. And for other categories, it's just 0.5%. So I don't exactly understand what the deal is. To put this into perspective, Amazon's affiliate program offers up to 10% in commissions depending on the product category. So that's a massive contrast to Best Buy's almost non-existent rates. So if you're planning to make an extra income through affiliate marketing, then Best Buy might not be your best bet. And let's not forget that time is money, so every minute you spend promoting a product with low commission, or even worse, 0% commission, is just a minute that you could have spent promoting a product with much higher commission rate. So I would recommend thinking wisely before you dive into the Best Buy affiliate program. So about the features, what does Best Buy exactly offer? Well, they do have a range of categories that you can promote, from electronics to home appliances. They also offer tracking tools to monitor your performance. So the question here is, are these features enough to compensate for the low commission rates? And to be honest, the tracking tools are pretty standard and can be found in most other affiliate programs. So there is nothing extraordinary that Best Buy offers that could make up for their low commissions. And let's not forget, the commission rates are so low that even if you make a sale, the earnings are almost negligible. I'm not exactly sure why they have an affiliate program in the first place. However, you must remember that features like tracking tools are just the tip of the iceberg. What really matters is the earning potential, and sadly Best Buy falls short in that department. So if Best Buy's program does not sound appealing, don't worry, there are plenty of other options. You can take Amazon for instance, their commission rates are way better. The range is from 4 to 10% depending on the category. Another great choice is Walmart. They offer a wide range of products, and we've covered the affiliate program and how you can join it on this channel as well. However, I can tell you that they offer much higher commission rates and joining is a breeze. So also, Amazon and Walmart together offer a much wider range of products, giving you more options to promote. Their tracking tools are much more advanced, offering you better insights into your performance. So if you're serious about starting with affiliate marketing, you might want to consider these alternatives. If you're still on the fence and you're unsure which program to go for, here is a pro tip. You can use a tool like SEMrush to find out what people are actually searching for. So you can type in Best Buy for example, and you will get a list of popular queries, and you can do the same for Walmart or any other retailer and tailor your content accordingly. SEMrush also offers a competitive kind of analysis, allowing you to see how Best Buy stacks up against its competitors in terms of search volume and keyword rankings. This can pretty much give you a much clearer picture of where to focus your efforts, and let's be real, in this competitive landscape, we need all the help we can to make informed decisions. And SEMrush is just one of the many tools available to affiliate marketers, and it is a valuable asset that can help you optimize your strategy for maximum earnings. So as a final piece of advice, save your time and stay away from the Best Buy's affiliate program. There are much better options out there that are well worth your time. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let us know what you think in the comment section down below, and whether you have an affiliate program that you want us to cover specifically. So if you found today's video to be helpful or informative to watch, then let us know by giving it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on any follow-up content that we can create related to this one.